Before going into the lab, make sure that all clothing, jewelry, and hair is secured, and that you are wearing safety glasses. When using the bandsaw, make sure it is off before plugging in the machine. Make sure the blade guard is in 1/4 of an inch of the work. Do not remove the material until the blade has completely stopped. Do not pull out of the cut or pull back through. Wait to pull the material out after the blade has stopped. Make sure your fingers are a safe distance from the cut line. Use a push stick when necessary. If you are cutting a large or regular shaped piece, ask Ms. Austin for a safe way to cut the material. Make sure the blade is completely stopped and that the machine is unplugged and cleaned before leaving the machine. Make sure the machine is off before plugging it in. Secure the material before cutting, making sure there are no pieces that will jump when the machine is turned on. Keep hands away from the cut area. If you need to move the saw from front to back, loosen the screw on the side and carefully pull the saw forward. Make sure to go all the way through the material before letting go of the trigger and lifting the machine back up. Once you are finished, unplug the machine and clean it off. Ms. Austin will mostly be using the machine, but you will also have to help her. Unplug the machine while she lines up the material, and once the material is lined up, plug the machine back in. While she pushes the material through the blade, help it guide it through on the other side and pull the material completely out once it is finished cutting. Then unplug the machine and clean it off to get ready for the next person. To use the sander, make sure the material is secured and that you are holding on tight to the sander. Make sure the machine has stopped moving before letting go, and make sure to keep hands away from the moving parts. The pieces should not be too small. If not a reasonable size, use a hand sander instead of the automatic sander. Make sure to unplug the machine after use. Before turning on the laser engraver, turn on the vent on the other side and make sure the material is all the way in the back corner. Close the lid and the laser engraver should start. Once you are finished, lift up the lid and turn off the LDTS.